I'm Mariana, and today I'm going to teach you a very simple pranayama technique called Nadi Shodhana. Basically, Nadi means energy channel and Shodhana means purify. So this pranayama technique is very simple and helps you to purify the energy channels of the body. So it helps the prana to flow easily during your pranayama practice. So this technique is also amazing to reduce stress and anxiety, and also helps to synchronize both sides of the brain, so left and right. And basically what we do in this pranayama is breathe through alternate nostrils. So we are going to close one nostril, inhale through the left, then close the left, exhale through right, inhale right, exhale left. And this completes one cycle of this pranayama. And to start, you can sit in a very comfortable seated position. You can choose cross-legged like I am, or you can sit on your knees, depends on your preference. The only important thing is to keep your spine long and straight. I'm also using a cushion. You can do so, it helps that lift and lengthen your spine. So we can keep the chin mudra in the hands. First, when we close the nostril, we are going to use this mudra here. So bringing two fingers down, and we are going to use the thumb and this little finger to close the nostrils like this. Also, we don't push so much with pressure. It's very gentle that we close the nostrils. But to start, you can simply come to chin mudra position in your hands, and you can close your eyes and just simply tuning to the body, feeling the natural flow of the breath. Feeling the breath coming in and out, feeling the natural flow, and simply observing the breath here, tuning in to your body. And when you feel ready to do Nadi Shodhana, you simply bring the fingers like that. You inhale, exhale deeply, close the right nostril, and inhale left, close, exhale right. Inhale right, close, exhale left. And we do in the count of 4. I'm going to guide you to 4 to 5 cycles so we can do it together right now. Close your eyes, inhale, exhale, close the right nostril, inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. Inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. Inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4. We do a last cycle here. Inhale left. 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4. And exhale left. 2, 3, 4. Then come to your chin mudra position and keep the natural rhythm of the breath. Simply observe and absorb. For a few moments you can stay quiet here. Simply observing the natural flow of the breath. So here you can repeat this pranayama for 5 to 10 rounds. You can even do for longer if you want. You can do for 5 minutes even. And if you get more advanced into your practice, what I recommend, it's what I actually practice, is doing with longer exhalation. So I inhale 5 and exhale 10. Inhale 5, exhale 10. So you can do this, and later on when you advance into your practice, you can also apply kumbhaka, which is the retention of the breath. But to start, this is a very amazing simple technique, and it's going to really help you to get tuned into your body and calm down a little bit. So I hope you like and I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments what you feel like after practicing it, and keep doing your practice at home. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.